make a left, and the other dude just came full speed.
Yo, he's breaking it down. He's breaking it down. Yo, sit down. Just tell dude to sit down, man. He hurt.
Man, he leaking. I don't think it was his car. I think it was his mama's car.
Nah, they parking. They just getting out of the way. All right, y'all. Police coming. This is what our undercover look like.
Man, I can't tell he a cop. They should have just kept the cars like that. Oh, no way. You feel it more. Hear the sirens. You feel it more.
Oh yeah, he better feel it more. Dang.
Damn, so they just gonna block traffic. Completely. They ain't let no cars get through. Well, ain't that messed up?
So that lady, her holding her stomach, I hope she ain't pregnant, man.
That's a dude, bro.
Look at traffic now, y'all. It's all the way backed up. Alright, y'all, so that's, I don't know what happened. I'm just glad we wasn't a part of that. All right, we're going back to work now, y'all. Top dog law, yeah, right. They gotta call some type of lawyer or something. Listen, something went down. We wasn't able to see exactly what went down, but there was somebody hurt. There was a lady holding her stomach. I think she just got hurt, but hopefully she's not pregnant. Regardless, it looks like everybody's doing okay. Let the ambulances and the cops sort it out from there. Let's get back to our stone work. Yo, Rick, they want to call you in for questioning.
I ain't seen nothing.
They said they saw the waste management from 2 miles away. They said, we know he saw everything. He looked like he could tell a good story. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to let you guys figure that out.
Yeah, we heard it too. We got someone got shot.
I look up, everybody from the top looking down, they couldn't see shit. Like, damn, they got a good view. Yeah, well, it's out here.